This is Lab 4, DC and RC circuits represented graphically on a website. There is no physical experimentation for this lab. It is all electronic and will be presented through this lab report. Um, Again, this is Lab 4, DC and RC circuits presented by myself, p2l4. So the introduction. So the purpose of the experiment is, to do the following. First, predict and analyze the behavior of the circuits in the diagram and their respective resistors that are present in the series and parallel circuits. So you're going to do different calculations with that and graphically represent that on through that website. And then calculate the values of the conventional current as well as potential differences with the respective formulas in the circuit of the diagram. And then from the captured data through the predictions and analysis and calculation, you'll analyze the captured data. So the results here, the time of the circuit was 4.2 seconds. The current was measured to be 0.3 A, and the respective charge and discharge times are below. 10 ohm was 12.7 seconds and 11.9 seconds, and then the 20 ohm was 18.9 seconds and 19.2 seconds, respectively. So the series circuit, in the series circuit, there were two batteries present. Each of these batteries is noted to be 1.5 volts, so that would total for 3 volts. And then also there are two resistors present, each at the 47 ohms and 100 ohms each. And then in the parallel circuit, there's an additional path of resistance due to the voltmeter being present in the parallel circuit. And the ammeter was also present, which creates another path of resistance in this parallel circuit. 0.3 amps was the calculated current per the result slide. So analysis of the RC circuit. So the bulb is very fast to illuminate, but then tapers off after some time. As the capacitor discharges, the bulb illuminates quickly, but then quickly discharges in a similar fashion. And then the current flows opposite direction quickly when discharging. What ifs and the furthering of the experimentation. The what if would be, what if instead of just a simple series circuit, what if it was created with a switch present? Would it affect any of the calculations? And then furthering of the experiment, a further of the experimentation would be to do a real life demonstration rather than a simulation. It's kind of all I have for this experiment, kind of short here. Thank you.